Density is a measure of how tightly packed a sample's matter is in a given volume. So we calculate density by dividing mass by volume. And the units of density come from the units of mass and volume we use. So it might be grams per centimeter cubed, it might be grams per liter, it could be kilograms per liter, micrograms per milliliter, but it's always going to be a mass unit divided by a volume unit. Now we need to be able to rearrange these three quantities, density, mass, and volume. So let's take a look at that. If we start with density equals mass divided by volume, say we want to go ahead and solve for mass. Okay, so if we want to solve for mass, we need to multiply both sides by volume. So density multiplied by volume. Say we want to solve for volume. Here we have volume, and to solve for volume we need to put it on the top, right? So that means we need to multiply both sides by volume and then divide both sides by density. So volume goes up here and density goes down here. Okay, so that's how we rearrange to solve for all three variables. Now let's just look at a simple example. Say we are given, I don't know, density is equal to 18.7 grams per centimeter cubed. I'm just making this up. And say the mass is 22.39 grams. And we need to calculate the volume. Okay, so we've been given density and mass, and we're looking for volume. So that means we need to use this particular equation. So volume equals mass divided by density, which is 22.39 grams, divided by 18.7 grams per centimeter cubed. Now I could write per centimeter cubed down here, but it's just as easy if I'm dividing by something and dividing by something again. That's the same as multiplying. So the centimeters cubed can go up there. Grams cancel, and we're left with centimeters cubed, which is a volume unit, so that's appropriate. So 22.39 divided by 18.7. Let's take a look. 22.39 divided by 18.7 equals 1.19732, etc. centimeters cubed. Let's look at sig figs. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 sig figs here, 3 sig figs here, so we need to round to 3 sig figs. 1 point. Now the digit we're going to drop here is a 7, so that means the 9 will round up to a 10, so the 1 rounds up to a 2, so 1.20 centimeters cubed.